Aspire Titanium Plus by Niva Bupa. Launched in 2023, this plan packs in some interesting benefits that encourages people to buy health insurance at a very young age. For instance, it locks your age when you buy the policy so that you pay the premium for the same age unless you make a claim. Its no claim bonus also rewards you generously if you start early.
Mahavir Chopra, the founder and chief executive officer of Beshak.org.
India's only insurance platform that is 100% neutral, 100% not influenced by insurer commissions. Now, here's what we will be covering in this video. 1. We will do a quick overview of Niva Bupa as a company. 2. We will understand the unique features of this plan. 3. We will do a quick roll call of all the core benefits. And most importantly, we will cover the claims and customer service performance of Niva Bupa. Then we will understand how the product is priced, and in the finale, we will discuss how this product rates on Beshak's unbiased ratings. And yes, while we will try to keep this simple, at any point if you feel overwhelmed, confused with the information that we are providing you, you can always book a free call with India's top 5% insurance experts. Mind you, these are not freshers in a call center, but real experts with up to 20 years of experience in the insurance space. They will not only guide you, but will also help you with the entire journey from purchase to claims. Click on the link in the description and book your free consultation today. Right, so we move on to basically now looking at each of the agenda points that I mentioned. We start with obviously the USPs, what you are being sold in the market when anybody talks about Aspire Titanium Plus, whether it's a call center agent or an agent that comes to your house. Quickly looking at all the important USPs. First, before we start, the sum insured options in this are from 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs and a lot of other options that are available, 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 1 crore. All these options are available. Policy tenure that is available is 1, 2 and 3 years. Now, moving on to the USPs. The first USP is the interesting USP that I already spoke about. Quickly, it's about lock the clock feature. Now, what is lock the clock feature? It basically locks your age when you buy the plan. So normally what happens is that when you buy a health insurance plan, every year as you grow older, the premium changes. In this plan, basically what they offer is a solution to the problem of increasing premiums, even if you're not making a claim. So what it does is that basically, let's say you enter the plan at age 28, then you will be paying the premium for age 28 all your life unless you make a claim. It's a brilliant benefit, specifically for a lot of people who say that मैंने तो अभी तक claim नहीं किया, मेरा premium क्यों बढ़ा? उसके लिए ये answer है. Next feature is called the M or miracle benefit, meaning I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's called the miracle benefit. हम ऐसे लेके चलते हैं. ये benefit basically is an inbuilt maternity or parenthood benefit that they are offering free of cost. This is inbuilt in the product. Usually maternity benefits are add-ons, but in this they are giving this feature as a basically inbuilt benefit. What this gives you basically are maternity limits. So they start from a limit of around 4,000 to 25,000. And interestingly, the sum insured that they give you carries forward as you move on if you don't make a claim, of course. So for example, for 10 lakh sum insured, if you buy a policy of 10 lakhs, you get a maternity benefit of around 12,000 rupees. And this 12,000 rupees, if you don't use it, obviously, then next year it becomes 24,000 rupees. This maternity benefit comes with a waiting period of 9 months. So you buying the policy today, you cannot claim it immediately. There will be a waiting period of 9 months after which you can make a claim. We'll move on to the other benefit, which is also very interesting, and a lot of people today have been asking for this. It is basically the borderless benefit. Borderless benefit matlab they give you a global cover for your health insurance. Typically, health insurance will cover you only for India-based hospitalization, but this policy is giving you borderless benefit as an add-on. What does this do? It basically gives you, for emergency and planned treatments, you can go abroad and get treated. It is covered up to sum insured, and you have an additional benefit or a flexibility to basically choose a copay clause to keep your premium low. So typically from 20% to 50% is the copay that you could basically choose, basis which your premiums can be changed and you can basically make it affordable. This is also available for cashless and reimbursement both. So it's typically a good feature for people who are thinking, for a very complex treatment, what if I have to go abroad? For those kind of treatments, it is useful. The next is basically called Future Ready. Like I said, this is a benefit. This is a plan that is available or being made especially for younger couples or younger individuals. This is a very interesting benefit for someone who's basically planning to get married. So what this Future Ready benefit does is that if you take this add-on, then basically once let's say a single person buys this add-on and basically is in this add-on for a couple of years and then gets married, all the waiting periods that this person has served, right, will also, the credit of these benefit, the credit of these waiting periods will also be given to the married spouse of this person. So let's say a person is at 28, at 32 or 30, let's say he gets married, and let's say at that time he adds his spouse to the policy, his wife to the policy. Now 2 years have passed. Typically the person who gets added will have to serve new waiting periods as that person gets added in the plan. But in this add-on, if you buy this add-on, then the person who gets married and gets added onto this policy will not have to serve the waiting periods that the person who is already in the policy, which is basically the individual who bought the policy first, has already served, right? So that is this benefit. The next benefit is called the fast forward benefit. It's a benefit where, let's say, if you choose a policy term of more than 1 year, so if you're paying premiums for more than 1 year, this is 2 years, 3 years, in that case, you will be able to use that benefit even before that year ends. So typically, let's say, अगर मैंने 2 साल का policy लिया, I buy a policy for 2 years or 3 years, and the first year itself, I need to make a claim which is 2x of the typical sum insured that I have. Let me give an example. So let's say I bought a 10 lakh sum insured policy. I typically would have 10 lakhs to be able to use in the first year. But if I buy a 2-year policy, then I can use 20 lakhs. If I buy a 3-year policy, I can pre-use that 10 lakhs that I paid for the third year in the first year. So basically, एक type का आपने जो cover लिया है for the next 3 years, you can use the next year's sum insured in the previous year. So that is what this benefit is about. It is typically a benefit that is giving you an additional sum insured. तो एक additional buffer मिल रहा है. But अगर आपने adequate sum insured लिया है, if you bought an adequate sum insured, these features usually don't matter. It's only for people who are not buying adequate sum insured for themselves is when these kind of features make sense, right? The next one is called well consult. It is nothing but an OPD benefit. Nowadays, every insurance company is trying to also bake in OPD into their plans because everybody's basically typically saying that why should health insurance only cover hospitalizations? I want to use health insurance on a day-to-day basis, and that's where these kind of add-ons are useful, where you pay something extra and then basically the insurance company offers you OPD benefits. OPD benefits का मतलब है कि जो regular medicines, regular medical checkups या let's say आप कोई भी type का doctor consultation कर रहे हैं, तो that basically is covered under your health insurance and not only hospitalization. So in this specific add-on, if you buy this add-on, it gives you unlimited consultations in a year. These are all online consultations that you can do across the year. Second is diagnostics, which is basically medical tests of up to 10,000 rupees. It also allows you pharmacy bills, मतलब जो medicines, दवाइयाँ हम खरीदते हैं, of around 2,500 rupees. Now, this benefit, mind you, is available only through cashless. So typically, you will either have to use their call center or use their app to basically order them, and it will come to you cashless. If you don't want to use cashless and you want to use reimbursement, then there is a copay of 20%. तो मतलब अगर आपका 1,000 रुपए का बिल आया तो 200 रुपए आपको अपनी जेब से पे करने पड़ेगी. Basically, they are trying to encourage you to use cashless more than reimbursement because उसमें उनका फायदा है. They can actually group all the purchase that is happening across all customers and then negotiate better rates from whoever the vendors are on that cashless network. So it's a great benefit in that way. But obviously, whether you should use it or not use it, you should always talk to an expert, understand your needs, and then decide. Now, these were all the USPs of the plan. Okay, moving on to a quick roll call of the core benefits. These are the benefits that actually cover your hospital bill when you are hospitalized or your family is hospitalized. Key around 6 benefits that are important to be understood, and that's what I'm going to cover quickly. The first one is obviously inpatient treatment. मतलब hospital में आप जब admit होते हो उसको बोला जाता है inpatient treatment. That is what is covered under every health insurance plan. Inside inpatient treatment, basically the good news is this health insurance policy covers you for any kind of room. So there is no rent limit. Basically, there's no financial limit or there's no category limit. You can choose whatever room you want. This is a great feature because जब नहीं होता है ये, जब when you have a limit in your policy, it will lead to major deductions. I'm not going to bore you all with entire understanding of this. If you want to understand this, we have done multiple other videos and we have content on this so you can understand it there. Second is it also covers all hospitalizations that are above 2 years. So typically जो पुराने ज़माने में जो health insurance होता था उसमें सिर्फ 24 hours plus hospitalization ही cover होता था. Now all mostly modern जो health insurance होती है, hospitalization policies होती है, उसमें day care procedure cover होता है. Basically Niva Bupa has changed it and they are saying that 2+ hours वाले day care procedures covered करेंगे. And they have also mentioned this that all day care procedures are covered. So typically they just put this 2 hour का limit, but they're also saying that all day care procedures are covered. तो इसका मतलब ये कि 24 hours का भी कोई limit नहीं है. All kinds of basically hospitalizations are covered if they are necessary and there is an active treatment. The next is pre and post hospitalization expenses. ये basically वो खर्चे होते हैं जो hospitalization के पहले या hospitalization के बाद होते हैं. आप admission के पहले वही जो whatever treatment you are going through, उसके related whatever expenses that you're incurring before hospitalization is called pre-hospitalization, and after you get treated and discharged from the hospital, whatever expenses you incur for that same treatment, that is called post-hospitalization. इसमें basically 60 days prior और 180 days after discharge covered है, which is a very good kind of a limit. 60 days और 180 days में आपका mostly सारा खर्चा निकल जाएगा जो आपका ये hospitalization treatment से कनेक्टेड है. द नेक्स्ट वन इज डोमिसिलरी ट्रीटमेंट. नाउ डोमिसिलरी ट्रीटमेंट का मतलब ये होता है कि अगर आप कोई भी रीजन की वजह से हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट नहीं हो सकते, लेट्स से आप जो एरिया में रहते हो वहाँ पे हॉस्पिटल में कोई बेड अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो कोविड के टाइम पे बहुत हुआ था, या तो जो पेशेंट है उसकी हालत इतनी बुरी है कि डॉक्टर बोल रहे हैं इनको आप ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं कर सकते, तो यू बेसिकली क्रिएट अ हॉस्पिटल एनवायरमेंट एट होम. दैट इज कॉल्ड डोमिसिलरी ट्रीटमेंट. नाउ दिस इज कवर्ड अंडर दिस पॉलिसी कंप्लीटली एंड इज कवर्ड अप टू सम इंश्योर, राइट. इसमें कोई कंडीशंस है कि बेसिकली आपको डेली मॉनिटरिंग चार्ट मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा, एक डॉक्टर को हमेशा रेगुलरली उसको मॉनिटर करना पड़ेगा, साइन करना पड़ेगा, विच इज नॉर्मल, राइट. मीनिंग इफ यू आर बेसिकली गोइंग टू गेट हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड एट होम और योर फैमिली मेंबर्स गोइंग टू गेट हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड एट होम, तो ये तो लगेगा, तो उसकी कोई मतलब इतना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इट बेसिकली इन शॉर्ट कवर्स डोमिसिलरी ट्रीटमेंट up to some insured. That's a great benefit. Modern treatment, is also covered. It is inbuilt in the plan and there are no limits, which is a great feature. Reassure 3.0 जब मैंने रिव्यू किया था उसमें मैंने ये नोट किया था जो कि पहले के जो अर्ली जो वेरिएंट्स है उसके जो थोड़े सस्ते वाले वेरिएंट्स है उसमें 1 लाख का लिमिट है, राइट, फॉर मॉडर्न ट्रीटमेंट्स. इन दिस प्लान, इन दिस प्रोडक्ट there are no limits, which is a great thing. The next is organ donor. Organ donor cover does not have any limits. It's also covered up to SI. Now we move to the good to have benefits in this plan. There are 2 inbuilt benefits in this plan which are interesting and you should know about them. The first one is basically the booster plus benefit. This is basically in a way a no claim bonus, but they don't call it no claim bonus, which is something that I will explain a little later. But ये basically एक ऐसा benefit है where if you don't make a claim, whatever is the sum insured that is there in your policy for that year, that gets transferred to the next year, right? तो मतलब मैंने 10 लाख का पॉलिसी लिया, मैंने क्लेम नहीं किया, तो अगले साल जब मैं 10 लाख का रिन्यूअल कर रहा हूँ तो वो 10 लाख प्रीवियस जो मैंने प्रीमियम पे किया था that will move to this policy also, so it will become 20 lakhs, right? जब तक मैं क्लेम नहीं करते रहूंगा तब तक it will get accumulated, but there is a catch, right? It depends upon the accumulation. Basically कितना आप accumulate कर सकते हो कि 10 लाख का 20 लाख होगा, 20 लाख का 30 लाख होगा, 30 लाख का 40 लाख होगा. That depends upon when you entered in the policy. So if you've entered the policy between 18 to 35, which is the right time to buy a policy. 35 के बाद अगर आप health insurance ले रहे हो तो आप काफी लेट हो. 18 to 35 के बीच में अगर आपने enter किया ये पॉलिसी में, तो you're basically the no claim bonus that you can accumulate is 10x. तो अगर आप 10 लाख से शुरू कर रहे हो, आपने 10 साल क्लेम नहीं किया तो इट विल बिकम 1 करोड़. योर सम इंश्योर्ड विल बिकम 1 करोड़. इन द सेम केस 36 टू 45 में 500%, विच इज बेसिकली 5x. आप 50 लाख तक की अक्यूमुलेट कर सकते हो, और अगर आप 46 के बाद आ रहे हो पॉलिसी में तो 3x, राइट. सो 30 लाख तक अक्यूमुलेट कर सकते हो. दैट इज बूस्टर प्लस. व्हाट आई वाज ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इज दैट इंटरेस्टिंगली बूस्टर प्लस इज नॉट नो क्लेम बोनस. ये बेसिक इसका बहुत टेक्निकल है, बट क्विकली बता देता हूं मैं कि आप अगर ये पॉलिसी को कभी जाके आगे पोर्ट करते हो तो पोर्टिंग के टाइम पे बोनस भी आपका पोर्ट होता है. बोनस के जो बेनिफिट्स होते हैं, राइट, जो वेटिंग पीरियड्स होते हैं आपने सर्व किए हैं, वो भी आप मूव कर सकते हो इन योर न्यू पॉलिसी. बट सिंस दे आर नॉट कॉलिंग इट नो क्लेम बोनस, सो टेक्निकली दिस मे नॉट बी मूव्ड इनटू योर न्यू पॉलिसी, राइट. सो इसीलिए इसको समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि इसको पोर्ट करने टाइम आपको इसका बेनिफिट नहीं मिलेगा. ऐसे ही समझ के चलते हैं. शायद कोई इंश्योरेंस कंपनी जो आप नई इंश्योरेंस कंपनी में जा रहे हैं वो दे इसका बेनिफिट, but let's by default understand that it clearly is not calling it no claim bonus, and that's the technicality everybody should know. The next is called reassure forever. It's basically the restoration benefit, जहाँ पे आप पूरे साल में जो एक sum insured लेके चल रहे हैं, अगर वो exhaust हो जाता है, if that gets exhausted, then the sum insured will get restored. Now this triggers from the first claim itself and refills unlimited times. आप पूरे, अगर आपने 10 लाख का कवर लिया है, आपका 10 बार अगर सम इंश्योर्ड खत्म हो गया है तो 10 बार रिस्टोर करते रहेगा. ये ऐसे लगेगा कि अरे कहाँ यूज होगा ये, बट ये कोविड के टाइम पे एक्चुअली मैंने देखा है कि काफी फैमिलीज यूज कर पाई थी इसको. द रीजन वाज दैट द सम इंश्योर्ड वाज लो एंड मल्टीपल पीपल वर गेटिंग हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड एट द सेम टाइम एंड द सम इंश्योर्ड गॉट एग्जॉस्टेड एंड देन दैट गॉट यूज्ड. सेकंड इज जहाँ पे कोई मेजर कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट है, वेयर देयर आर मल्टीपल ट्रीटमेंट्स हैपनिंग ड्यूरिंग द ईयर एंड द कॉस्ट इज वेरी हाई, and that's also where such kind of restoration features are very useful. Now apart from this, there are no good to have benefits that I wanted to cover in this review, so this is it. We'll move to the exclusions in the plan. Exclusions basically जो standard exclusions होते हैं वही exclusions है इसमें. 30-day waiting period जो होता है in every health insurance plan, there's a 30-day waiting period for the first year when you buy the policy. That is there in this plan, and for the first 30 days you are only covered for accidents. Then there is a waiting period of 2 years for specified illnesses basically, which is treatment जो होती है, जैसे स्लिप डिस्क होता है, पाइल्स होता है और बहुत सारे ऐसे कैटरैक्ट होता है. These are not covered from day one in your policy, even if it was not existing when you bought the policy. There is a 2-year waiting period. So इसमें वो 2-year waiting period है. Specifically for cancer इन्होंने लिखा है कि there is a 30-day waiting period. So which is typically anyways a waiting period when you buy a health insurance, right? You have a initial waiting period of 30 days. It's saying 30 days waiting period for cancer specifically अलग से they're writing in the policy. Now PED waiting period, right? जो existing disease होती है, when you buy a policy, there is a, if you have a disease already, right? You're taking any medication, आपको कोई hospitalization की पहली history है या आप कोई भी type की दवाइयाँ लेते हैं, कुछ भी हो सकता है. In that you have to declare to the insurance company always, right? Whatever you declare will basically go through a waiting period. आपको पहले से ही उसका cover नहीं मिलता है. You have to basically serve a waiting period कि आप पहले 3 साल उसका claim नहीं ले पाओगे. एक insurance company का तरीका है policy को viable रखने के लिए, वरना आप imagine करो कि सब लोग जो बीमार है या कोई है वही health insurance लेगा. And then immediately they will start making a claim. So I'll pay 20,000 rupees and make a claim of 2 lakh rupees. Insurance company को कभी भी survive नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए waiting periods होते हैं. Existing disease के लिए 3 year का waiting period है, but for specific diseases, right? Let me read it out from here. There is an option to modify the waiting period, right? Typically for diabetes and hypertension आपको day 1 coverage मिल सकता है अगर आप एक add-on लो जिसको बोला जाता है disease management rider. अगर आप वो लेते हैं तो then those 2 illnesses, diabetes and hypertension, और इसमें कभी-कभी आगे जाके इंश्योरेंस कंपनी कोई और डिजीज भी ऐड कर देती है, बट राइट नाउ वी हैव नोटेड फॉर 2 diabetes and hypertension, you can get day 1 coverage if you take the disease management rider. So these were all the exclusions, right? Now we move to claims experience. बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो ये वाले पार्ट में यहाँ मत देखिए, ध्यान से सुनिए पार्ट, बिकॉज दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर वी विल नो कि इंश्योरेंस कंपनी इतने सारे ऑफर्स दे रही है, इतने सारे बेनिफिट्स दे रही है, दे आर मेकिंग सो मेनी प्रोमिसेस, but claim के time पे how is it performing, right? It's like buying a mutual fund because of the brand but not knowing their past fund performance. It is similar to that when you're buying a health insurance you should know कि ये insurance company अभी तक कैसे claims pay कर रही थी. So a couple of important metrics I'm going to explain you, and obviously see in this video if you at any point in time you feel that ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा complicated है, इतना सारा चीज़ डाइजेस्ट करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, राइट? सो देयर इज अ सिंपल थिंग दैट यू कैन डू. यू कैन ऑलवेज बेसिकली टेक अ हेल्प ऑफ एन एक्सपर्ट, राइट? जैसे हम टैक्सेशन के लिए, मैं खुद एक सीए हूँ बट मैं खुद मेरा टैक्स कभी बेसिकली फाइल नहीं करता हूँ बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू गो थ्रू दैट एंटायर थिंग ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग द टैक्सेशन रूल्स एंड देन फाइलिंग इट राइट. In a similar way, in case of health insurance, because the product is so complicated, there are experts available जो आपको फ्री में कंसल्ट करके, आपको समझा के, आपके पूरे जो नीड्स है उसको समझ के, आपकी प्रोफाइल, आपका बजट को समझ के, आपको द राइट प्लान समझाते हैं, आपको राइट प्लान दिलवाते हैं, सही तरीके से डिक्लेरेशंस, प्रपोजल फॉर्म भरवाते हैं और फिर क्लेम के टाइम पे भी आपके साथ रहते हैं. ऐसा कोई भी एडवाइजर अगर आपके लोकेशन में, तो उससे ही पॉलिसी खरीदिए. और इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड this kind of an expert, we have created a community marketplace where you can come and consult with India's top 5% insurance experts for completely free. इसमें कोई भी पैसा नहीं लेगा कोई भी आपसे. आप आ सकते हो, आप कंसल्टेशन ले सकते हो, आप 30 मिनट्स, 40 मिनट्स, 50 मिनट्स बात कर सकते हो पूरा प्लान समझ के. देन यू कैन बाय दिस प्लान फ्रॉम दीज पीपल सो दैट दे ऑल्सो आर स्टैंडिंग विथ यू एट द टाइम ऑफ क्लेम्स. दैट कंसल्टेशन लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो. यू कैन यूज इट एंड ट्राई अस आउट, बिकॉज एक तो ये है कि फ्री है, दूसरा है कि हम स्पैम नहीं करते, ये प्रॉमिस है. मूविंग ऑन टू द क्लेम एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई वाज सेइंग, स्पीड ऑफ क्लेम सेटलमेंट, कितना फास्ट एक इंश्योरेंस कंपनी क्लेम सेटल करता है, उसको हम लोग ने बेसिकली यहाँ पे ट्रैक किया है. सो परसेंटेज ऑफ क्लेम सेटल इन लेस देन 30 डेज. एक इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को एक क्लेम आया, उसमें से कितने परसेंटेज क्लेम्स उन्होंने 30 डेज में सेटल किए, उसका रेशियो है. तो देयर नीवा बुपा इज रियली परफॉर्मिंग वेरी वेल. इट्स 99.95%. दैट्स व्हाट the number they have reported, which basically in effect means that almost all claims are being settled in 30 days. The number 2 metric is claim complaints. मतलब आपके कितने complaints आए हैं इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को for claims, right? So the number is around 0.43%. This when I compare with another large insurance company, their number typically is in the range of around 0.1 to 0.15, 0.16. तो ये number काफी high है compared to other insurance companies that we typically basically track. The third is incurred claim ratio. Yeah, incurred claim ratio एक ऐसा ratio है which basically tells you that how much claims is an insurance company paying out of the premiums it collects. तो suppose एक insurance company 100 रुपए प्रीमियम कलेक्ट करिए, तो कितना प्रीमियम जो है वो यूज करिए क्लेम्स के लिए, राइट? तो टिपिकली अगर एक हमारा जो थंब रूल है वो ये है कि अगर एक इंश्योरेंस कंपनी 60% to 80% जो प्रीमियम का अमाउंट है वो क्लेम में दे रही है, then that is a good insurance company. This is a typical rule in the industry. This is what I would have tracked. Like I've been in this space for 20 years. When I speak to someone who's senior to me or someone who's basically an expert, this is the number we will look at, 60% to 80%. Reason ये है कि 60% इसके लिए है largely because एक insurance company को मिनिमम एक नंबर ऑफ क्लेम्स तो पे करना चाहिए, राइट? 80% इसके लिए है। 80% के ऊपर भी कोई इंश्योरेंस कंपनी प्रीमियम कलेक्ट करके क्लेम्स दे सकती है, बट 80% के ऊपर अगर कोई इंश्योरेंस कंपनी इज बेसिकली हैविंग क्लेम्स आउट ऑफ द प्रीमियम्स दैट इट पेज, then that basically means that इंश्योरेंस कंपनी लॉस कर रही है। इफ द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी इज मेकिंग अ लॉस, then प्रीमियम्स विल इंक्रीज। वो कोई अपनी जेब से कोई पे नहीं करने वाले, अगले साल आपके रिन्यूअल में प्रीमियम बढ़ जाएगा। तो इसीलिए 60 to 80% होना अच्छा है। इंश्योरेंस कंपनी नीवा बुपा इज एट 61.22%, मतलब एकदम बॉर्डर लाइन पे है। ये रेशियो को मैं इतना अच्छा नहीं गिनूंगा टिपिकली, बिकॉज हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस में 61.22% विद देयर प्रीमियम्स बीइंग वेरी वेरी टिपिकली इनके जो प्रीमियम्स होते हैं वो बहुत अट्रैक्टिव होते हैं, तो प्रीमियम भी कम ले रहा है, उसके बाद 60% ही इंकर्ड क्लेम रेशियो है। तो दिस इज अ रेशियो विच आई वुड नॉट रेट वेरी हाई। इट इज समथिंग दैट आई वुड लुक एट इट एज अ नॉट अ रेड फ्लैग बट लाइक अ पिंक काइंड ऑफ अ फ्लैग। द नेक्स्ट वन इज रिजेक्शन रेशियो। क्लेम रिजेक्शन रेशियो मतलब एक इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को अगर 100 क्लेम आते हैं तो कितने क्लेम रिजेक्ट करता है, तो वहां पे इनका नंबर है 7.45%। तो अगर 100 क्लेम आता है तो 7.5 क्लेम आर रिजेक्टेड बाय दिस इंश्योरेंस कंपनी, विच इज क्वाइट अ हाई नंबर इन माय व्यू, एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट नीड्स टू बी अंडरस्टूड बिफोर यू बाय द प्लान। नाउ वी मूव टू समथिंग कॉल्ड कस्टमर सर्विस रेटिंग्स। कस्टमर सर्विस रेटिंग जो है वो इंडिया में एग्जिस्ट भी करता है, बट हम ट्रैक करते हैं। हम बेसिकली इंश्योरेंस कंपनी का टोल फ्री नंबर को टेस्ट करते हैं, ट्विटर पे कैसे फास्ट रिस्पॉन्स जो होती है उसको टेस्ट करते हैं, और उसकी बेसिक पे एक रेटिंग निकालते हैं कि हाउ गुड इज दिस कंपनी कंपेयर टू अदर कंपनीज इन द मार्केट। नाउ इन कस्टमर सर्विस, इन टोल फ्री स्पेसिफिकली वी हैव मार्क देम एज एवरेज, मतलब वो बुरे भी नहीं है और अच्छे भी नहीं है। तो आप जो नॉर्मल एक इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से एक्सपेक्ट करोगे उतना ही अच्छा सर्विस आपको मिलेगा ऑन टोल फ्री। और सेकंड है ट्विटर। ट्विटर पे दे हैव बीन मार्क्ड एज स्लो, मतलब वो लोग फास्ट रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहे हैं, दे आर टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू रिस्पॉन्ड। वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्स दैट कम्स, वो तो ऑटोमेटिक आता है, वो सारे लोग बॉट लगा के आंसर करते हैं। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रियल रिस्पॉन्स, एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी ट्रैक, and that is where they are slow, right? So these are the two things that need to be understood in the customer service rating. Now we move to the premium, right? Premium तो बहुत ज़्यादा important है, because insurance company सब दे देगा, मतलब star, moon, earth सब दे देगा, but whether it will actually give you at a price which is affordable is something that we need to understand. So the premium that we typically look for is for Mr. Kumar. हमारे सारे वीडियो में हम Mr. Kumar को ही as a example लेते हैं। Mr. Kumar is a married male who's 30-year-old. His wife is also 30-year-old. He has a kid of 1 year, lives in Mumbai. He's buying a 10 lakh sum insured plan. The without any add-ons. So premium is exclusive of any add-ons or discounts. This is what our team has written here. Please note that the final premium will depend on the underwriting process. ये भी समझ लो। इस सब समझने के बाद 16,252, 16,252 जो है वो प्रीमियम है ये प्लान का। टिपिकली आई वुड रेट इट एज अ वेरी अफोर्डेबल प्रीमियम फॉर 10 lakhs। मैंने जितने भी इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज का अभी तक रिव्यू किया है उसमें ये more or less is coming to be a reasonable premium. So that is the premium amount. अब हम लेंगे finale moment, which is basically understanding the ratings of this plan. Ratings क्यों important है? Because 150-200 से ज़्यादा प्लान है इंडिया में, राइट? और फिर उसमें इतने सारे पैरामीटर्स है। आप प्रोडक्ट बेनिफिट भी देखना है, आपको क्लेम बेनिफिट भी देखना है, और आपको क्लेम परफॉर्मेंस भी देखना है, और फिर आपको कस्टमर सर्विस भी देखना है। ये सब जो है वो समझना बहुत मुश्किल है, इसलिए हमने एक रेटिंग मैकेनिज्म बनाया है, जिससे आपको एक नंबर मिले, जिससे आपको एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग मिले कि 5 में 5 जो रेटिंग है उसके अंदर इसको कितने मार्क्स मिले, राइट? तो वो हम बताएंगे आपको अभी। तो क्विकली प्रोडक्ट बेनिफिट्स में, मतलब हम जो देख रहे हैं, वी सॉ द एंटायर प्रोडक्ट, सो वी नो दिस, and that's how it has got rated. Product benefits में बेशक has rated this product at 4.93, मतलब on competitiveness in comparison to all the plans in the market, it stands very high. 4.93 is the rating that it has got out of 5. Claims experience में इनका जो rating है वो 3.95 है, which is an average rating. It's not a great rating. It's less than 4, so it's not a great rating. मतलब I would say that ये एक छोटा सा red flag है कि इनकी claims experience rating अच्छी नहीं है। Customer service में तो they are all the more worse actually. Their rating is at 2.61. This comes out of a lot of audit research that we do on understanding कि insurance company actually कितने अच्छी है, how good is this insurance company in actually giving you service, in giving you claims basically, and the service or the experience at the time of claims. So that is 2.61 for customer service, claims experience 3.95, product benefits में इन्होंने छक्का मारा है 4.93। ओवरऑल रेटिंग जो आती है, ये सारे जो हमने रेटिंग की है ओवरऑल रेटिंग जो आती है वो 4.31 आती है. मतलब दिस इज अ गुड प्लान, दिस इज नॉट अ बैड प्लान, दिस इज अ रीजनेबली गुड प्लान, but you need to understand this with the claims experience rating and then make a decision whether you want to consider this plan or not. Finally, I would always recommend that whenever you're final आप shortlist कर रहे हो plans, don't just go by any call center fresher telling you something, because that person probably has not bought insurance for it themselves so far. तो इन्होंने क्लेम तो देखा नहीं होगा, बट खुद ये पॉलिसी भी नहीं खरीदी होगी, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Or don't buy from an agent who does not have experience. Always, like I've said earlier also, buy from a good insurance expert, understand your entire needs with them, discuss your needs with them, tell them about your profile, about your budgets, about your history, and then have a very good conversation with them, and then make a decision. And then the process also moves forward in terms of them helping you at the time of how to buy the policy, how to basically ensure that you've covered all the customizations that you need to fill the form properly. And then, like I said, they can also help you at the time of claims. So, ये सारी चीजें आपको मिलती है बिना कोई खर्चा. If there will be any cost, there could be around 2 to 5% premium that you may have to pay extra at any point in time. If you think that you want to basically try out the expert service that we provide through a network of almost close to 200 experts that are there on our panel, you can come on our website beshak.org and use the link below and basically set up an appointment and try us out. That's it. If you like the video, do subscribe to us, and if you have any questions, you can always write them in the comments below and we will surely answer them within 24 to 48 hours. Thank you so much.